The following questions are based on the stacked bar graph given below. It is the sales of various precious stones in thousands in India for the period of 1995-96 to 99-2000. See, there are five different types of stones, that is basil, opal, ruby, emerald, topaz. And this is called as the stacked bar diagram. There will be five divisions, and five divisions stands for five stones. The bottommost one is the topaz. This is topaz, then followed by emerald, then followed by ruby, then opal, and last one is basil. So all of you draw one table. Let us draw one table. First one is the ear. So we have to draw one table. The first one is the ear. Next one we are having stones, that is topaz, then emerald, then ruby, then opal, then basil. Basil. Also we have to take total. So this is the ear, topaz, emerald, ruby, opal, basil, and also the total. So below the years, we have to write down from the years from 95, 96. The first year is 95, 96. The next one 96, 97. Next one 97, 98. Next one 98, 99. Last 99 and 2000. So let us take the values first. First for 1995, 1996, it is until here it is 200. So write down 200. 200. The next one it is from 200 to 500, so that is 300. The next one that is from 500 to 700, that is again 200. 700 to 900, again 200. And last one is 100. This one is 100. So total we will get 1000. Total is 1000. Let us take the second one, 96, 97. The first one is 100. The next one 100 to 300. 100 to 300 means that is 200. The next one that is from 300 to 700, so it is 400. The next one it is 300 to 400, so 100. 400 to 700, 300. 700 to 100, 700 to 800, 100. Total it is 800. Total 800. Now let us take 97, 98. The first one until here. Until here means it is 400. From 400 to 800, that is again 400. 800 to 1000, 200. 1000 to 1200, 200. 1200 to 1400, 200. Total 1400. Total 1400. 98, 99. The first one is exactly 300. The next one it is from 300 to 600, again 300. 600 to 800, that is 200. Then 800 to 1000, that is again 200. 100. So total it is 1100. Let us do 99 and 2000. The first one it is until 200. 200 to 400, again 200. 400 to 600, again 200. 600 to 700, 100. 200. Total 900. Now let us move to the questions. The total sales of ruby is what percent of total sales of the precious stones from 95 to 2000? Total sales of ruby. So you have to take ruby total. 200 plus 100, 300. 300 plus 200, 500. 700, 900. So this is 900. 900. 95 2000. What is the total? From 95 to 2000 total. 1000 plus 8. You have to add all these values. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 4, 32. 32 plus 11, 43. 43 plus 9, 52. So it is 5200. What percent means into 100. Let us do the calculation of 900 with 52. So 52 we are dividing with 900. We have to divide 900 with 52. 52 ones 52. Then it is 380. 52 7. So it is 7 twos 14, 364, 16. So we will get 17 point something. So 17 point something means option 1 is the correct answer. Option 1. Let us see the next question. Let us see the next question. By what percent is the average sales of emerald? By what percent is the average sales of emerald for the given period more than opal in 1998-99? Average annual sales of emerald. So emerald total 300 plus 200 500, 500 plus 400 900, 1200 1400. This is emerald total 1400. Average, so divided by 5. So 1400 divided by 5 is 280. It is more than opal in 98-99. This is opal 98-99 200. 2. The question is 280 is more than 200 by how much? 80. From where it is more? 200 into 100. We will get 40%. Answer is 40%. Option 2. Option 2. Let us see the next question. For how many years? For how many years is total sales of basil as a percentage of precious stones is less than topaz? So here what is the question? Basil is less than topaz. This is basil, this is topaz. Basil should be less than topaz in how many years? First you take 95, 96. Basil is 100, topaz 200. So you can take 95, 96. Now 96, 97. Topaz 100, basil 100 equal. But basil should be less. So you can't take 96, 97. 97, 98. 200, 400. So we can take 97, 98. 98, 99. Basil 100, topaz. So 98, 99 also you can take. 99 to the 2000 both are equal. So how many years are they totally? 3 years. Option 3. Next question. If the sales of topaz is increased from 94, if the sales of topaz is increased from 94, 95 to 95, 96 by 25%. So now we have to take topaz value 94, 95 to 95, 96. Increased by 25%. Increased by 25% means this will be 5 parts, this will be 4 parts. 94, 95 we don't have. 95, 2000, 95, 96 topaz value 200. So this is 200 means 5 parts is 200. 4 parts equal to 160. This is about topaz. Then and increase from 99 2000 to 2000 2001. 99 2000 to 2000 2001. The topaz is increased by 50%. Topaz increased by 50% means this will be 2 parts, this will be 3 parts. 50% increase means 3 by 2. Now 99 2000 topaz value is 200. So this will be equal to 300. Now what is the difference between 94 95 and 2000 2001? 94 95 it is 160. 2000 2001 it is 300. The difference is 140 after the 2 zeros. It is 14,000. Option is 3. Option is 3. Let us see the next question. Which of the precious stones experienced the highest growth rate in sales in any year over the previous year from 96 97 to 99 2000? You have to take 96 97 to 99 2000. Which of the given precious stone experienced the highest percentage growth? See here, if you take topaz, 96 97 it was 100. 97 98 the increase is 300. So here In this particular thing, you can observe the increase of 300. Now again, it has been decreased. From here to here, again, it has been decreased. Let us take emerald. Only 200 increase. Again decrease. Again decrease. If you take ruby, only 100 increase. After that, it is stable. If you take opal, it is decreasing. If you take bezel, only 200 increase. So maximum increase you can see for topaz. Maximum increase you can see for topaz when compared to 96, 97, 98, 98, there is a maximum increase. So it is increased by 3 times. Topaz is the correct answer. Let us see the next one. 51 to 55. Given below is the bar graph which shows the production of the cycles of 6 firms A, B, C, D, E, F in 2 consecutive years in 2016 and 2017. Now, what is the average production? So, first of all, what we will do, we will draw one table. We will draw one table. First one is the firm. Next one is 2016. Next one is 2017. Next one is the total. Firm 2016, 2017 and total. So below the firms, you write down the names of the firms, that is A, B, C, D, E, F and total. A, B, C, D, E, F and also the total. F and total. Okay, now let us take the values. See here, A 2016, it is 550, 660. You can see directly from the table. B 520, 460. C 720, 640. Then D 420, 510. Then E 680, 450. F 650, 480. Let us do the totals. Let us do the totals. This is 0, 11, 12, 0, 8, 9, 0, 6, 13, 0, 3, 9, 0, 13, 11, 0, 13, 11. Now let us do horizontal, vertical totals also. Let us do vertical total. This is 0, 0, 5 plus 8, 13, 5 plus 8, 13, 15, 17, 19, 24. 24 means 2 is the carryover. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 6, 14, 18, 25, 30, 35. It is 3540. Now this one 0, 8 plus 5, 13, 14, 18, 24, 30, 7, 11, 16, 22, 26, 32. 3200. Now let us answer the question. What is the difference between average production of 16 and 17? 16 total you got 3540, 17 total you got 3200. The difference is 340. We want average since there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 340 divided by 6 or 170 by 3 or 3 5 is 15. Then 3 6. The answer is 56 2 by 3. 56 2 by 3. Let us see the next question. Next question. If the production of C in 2018 is increased by 37 1 by 2 when compared to the previous year. C 2017 it is 640. 2018 37 1 by 2 means 3 by 8. 37 1 by 2 increase means 11 by 8. We will get 880. This is 880. Next, D is increasing by 17, 11 by 17. D value is 510. This is C value. This is D. It is increased by 17, 11 by 17. So 17, 11 by 17 means it is 300 by 17% or 3 by 17. 3 by 17 increase means it is 20 by 17. We will get 600. So one value we got 880, one value you got 600. What is the sum? So what is 880 plus 600? That is 1480. 1480 is the correct answer. Option 2. Let us see the next question. If 17 13 by if 17 13 by 17, that is not 17 13 by 17, 17 13 by 11. If 17 13 by 11 of total production of A in 16 and 36 4 by 11 of total production of A in 17 are unsold, the ratio between the total sold and unsold of C in both years is 109 is to 27. Then total unsold cycle from both the firms is what percent of total sold from both the firms. Now let us take A. A 2016, what is the value? 550. First 2016, 550. 17 13 by 11. What is 17 13 by 11? So 17 11s. So 17 11s is how much? First 11 sevens, 187. 200 by 11, 100 or 2 by 11. 2 by 11. So 17 13 by 11 means 2 by 11. So 2 by 11. 2 by 11 are sold. That means out of 550, 2 by 11 means we will get 100 sold and 450 unsold. That is for A 2016. Now A 2017. A 2017. What is the total? 660. 36 4 by 11. So 36 4 by 11 is nothing but 4 by 11. So 4 by 11. That will give 240 sold and unsold will be 420. 420 unsold. That is about which one? A 2016 and A 2017. Sold, unsold. Then coming to C. C we have to take both firms. See both firms is 1360. See both years. See both years. What is the value? 1360. In this 1360, sold and unsold are in the ratio of 109 is to sold, unsold are in the ratio of 109 is to 27. What is 109 plus 27? 136. So this is 1090. This is 270. Now total unsold of both firms. Total unsold means 450, 420 and 270. So 450, 420 total unsold. Okay, 17, 13 unsold. Okay, sorry. This is unsold, this is sold. This is unsold, this is sold. Okay. Now total unsold. Total unsold of all the firms. Total unsold of all the firms means how much we are going to get? 100, 240, 270. 100 plus 240, 340, that is 610. Total sold 450, 420, 1090. 450, 420, 1090, 0, 16, 1960. 1960. Now this is what percent? What percent? So into 100 into 0 cancel. Divide 6100 with 196. Divide 6100. I am dividing 6100 with 196. With 196. Let us do the calculation. Or else we can do one more thing. 449s, 425s. Now 25 into 61. 25 ones. It is 1525. 1525. That I am dividing with 49. 49 threes, 147. 49 ones. You will get the answer, that is 31 6 by 49. 31 6 by 49. This is the correct answer. So option 1. Option 1. Let us see the next question. What is the ratio of B in 16 and F in 17 together? B in 16, 520. B in 16, 520. F in 17, 480. Total 1000. Total 1000. B in 17 and C in 17. B in 17, 460. C in 17, 640. So that we will get 1100. One is 1000, one is 1100. Ratio 10 is to 11. Option 4 is the correct answer. Let us see the next one. If the total production of cost of D in 2016, total production cost of D in 2016 is 7,87,500. So total cost of production of D in 16 is 7,87,500. D, how many cycles are there? 420. 420. Divide that one. 0, 0 cancel. I am dividing 7875. 42 ones 42. Then 367. 8 times 336. Then 7 times 294. Then 5 times. 1875 is the cost of each cycle for D in 2016 and transportation cost is 125. So total will be 2000. Total will be 2000 because transportation cost of each cycle is 125. Then in 2017, the total cost is increased by 21.7 by 8. 21.7 by 8 means it is 175 by 800, 25 sevens, 25 threes, 25. 7 by 32. 7 by 32 increase, that is 39 by 32. Let us do the calculation with 16, 16 twos, 16 1, 16, 16 2, 16 5s. 125 into 39. What is 125 into 39? 45, 22, 11, 15, 7, 3, 5, 7, 8. It is 4,875 divided by 2, 2, 4, 24, 2, 3, 6. It is 2,437.5. So that is the cost of each cycle in 2017 year, 2,437.5. Let us see the next question. This is the average, this is the budget allocation for education in 3 states from ABC from 2008 to 2012. Now based on this, we have to answer the given questions. First one, what is the average budget? The average budget of B from 2008 to 2012. See here, this is A, B, C. Now B, 2008 to 2012. What are the values? 2008, 135. Next, 150. Next, again 150. Then 170. Then 180. So if you do the total, we will get 5, 15, 20, 25, 28, 785. This is 785. Now it is A all over the years. A we have to take. A means 100, 125, 130, 200, 220, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 7, 4, 775. See here, there is a little difference between these two values, 785, 775. The question is, what is asked? 785 by 775 into 100. This one we have to do, but no need to do the calculation. Why? Because the difference is very less. It is approximately equal to 101 point something. So you can take 100% directly. Let us see the next question. In 2012, in state B, 35% of the allotted budget is for boys. In 2012, this is 2012. State B, how many crores? 180. In this, 35% is allotted for boys. 35%. 25s, 29s, 5 5. 63 crores is allotted for boys. In 2013, it is increased by 25%. So you have to take only increased value. 25% increase means 1 by 4. 63 by 4. See, 4, 15, 60. We will get 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is nothing but 0.75. So only increased value 15.75. with no other change, what is the percentage increase from B in 13 when compared to 12? In 12, B budget is 180. Now increase is 15.75. This is what percent? See, here we are having the decimal after two places. Into 100 means that points will be cancelled. Divide 1575. 1575 with which number? 180. 180. 180 into 8. 1440. We will get 135. 1350. Now with 7 times. 18 sevens. 1260. Now 5 times. So the answer is 8.75. 8.75 increase is the correct answer. Next question. In 2011, A spent 3/4 of the budget allotted for girls' education. 2011 A 200. 200 is the budget. In this, 3/4 means 150 for girls' education. From this, there is education means two types. One is school education, one is higher education. School education, higher education in the ratio of 7:8. This is 7 parts, this is 8 parts. So this will be 70, this will be 80. Now how much money was spent for higher education? So higher education we got how many crores? 80 crores. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next one. There is an increase of 13% in the budget allocation for C in 2013 when compared to the average budget from 2009 to 2012 for state C. State C 2009 to 2012. These four values we should add. What are the values? 190, 170, 190, 220. 0, 27, 770 total. But we have to take average by 4. By 4. 41976 4 2s. It is 192.5. 192.5. This is the average budget. There is an increase of 13%. Now this should be increased by 13%. So 192.5 into 113,500. Let us do that calculation. 1925 into 130. 15, 7, 27, 5, 5, 2, 9, 1. Again 1925. So 5, 12, 15, 17, 11. So we will get 217.525. This is the budget of C in 2013. Now find the increase or decrease from 2012. See, 2012 budget is 220. Now it is 217.525. Definitely there is the decrease. We have to find the decrease. 5, 7, 4, 2. So 2.475 decrease. Decrease by 2.475 crores. That is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. A total of 67 crores was spent for primary education for B in 2008. 2008. This includes 20% of the amount allotted for 2008 for B. B 2008, what is the value? 135. In this 20% means 1 by 5. That will give 27. But how much amount was spent? 67. Out of 67, 27 is from government, remaining 40 is from NGO. The remaining amount is borne by NGO, that is 40. The amount shared by NGO is 125% of the previous year. What is 2008 previous year? 2007. 125% means 5 by 4. So 2008 it is 5 parts, 2007 it is 4 parts. 2008 NGO budget, how much we got? 40. 2007 we will get 32. So what is the amount contributed by NGO in the previous year? Previous year means 2007. So what is your answer? 32 crores. Option is 2. 2 is the correct answer. In the next class we will discuss the remaining problem.